Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having 4 job updates from 4 different companies. Let's see the complete details. Thomson reuters is hiring, Citi company, Servicenow company and KPMG. Let's start with Thomson reuters company is hiring for automation engineer 0 to 1 year can apply for this role and they are hiring for Python programming. Location given will be Hyderabad. They mention about the role and responsibilities of the candidates and requirements given will be exceptional attitude towards customer service, familiarity with Excel formulas, ability to read and interpret process documents, basic knowledge of Python is needed, familiarity with coding, experience with Python, Pandas or Selenium is a plus, and ability to learn new technologies, strong motivation or curiosity to improve established process. Freshers who are applying, if you have basic knowledge of Python, can apply for this role. Just give it a try, don't worry if you don't know all these things. What's in it for you also given benefits here they also mention, just go through it. Here flexible work arrangements, comprehensive health coverages and savings and investment plans, social events and activities, paid time off for volunteering virtually or in your community and many things they mention. Just go through all the details carefully. If you are interested in this job role, if you have those skills, just click on this apply now button and you can apply for this job. Citi company is hiring for DevOps and application support role. Location given will be Chennai. They mentioned about the responsibilities and about the company. Qualification will be 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in programming or debugging used in business application, working knowledge of industry practice and standards, comprehensive knowledge of specific business, consistency, demonstrate clear and concise written and verbal communication. Many mention, and education will be bachelor's degree or university degree or equivalent experience. So, freshers who are having a bachelor's degree or university degree can apply, or having experience can also apply for this role. That's it for this job role. If you are interested in this job role, click on this apply now button and you can apply for this job. This is our channel page. We also recently uploaded some jobs on Light & Wonder, Scient Company, Quest Global, Chipler, Nvidia and Volvo companies. All these are freshers and experienced candidates. Quest Company is hiring for mechanical engineers and Volvo Company is internship program for duration is 1 year. And we also uploaded some IT jobs, IT related and core jobs also we are uploading and many jobs we are uploading. Please to watch our channel. If you like our content, please to subscribe to our channel. All the links are still active. Don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible. Servicenow company is hiring for software engineer role. Location given will be Hyderabad. The given about the company description, job description mention. Qualification should be 0 to 2 plus years of experience with Java or a similar object-oriented language, passion for JavaScript and the web as a platform, reusability, experience with data structures, algorithms, object-oriented design patterns, experience with any of the modern UI frameworks is a plus point, analytical and design skills and many things mentioned. Just go through it. They also given the company additional information. Just go through all the details. If you are interested in this job role, click on this apply now button to apply for this job. Here you need to upload your resume, personal information, first name, last name, email, confirm your email, place of residence, phone number. Here experience, education and remaining details are not mandatory. If you are interested, you can give it up and click on this next and you can submit your form. KPMG company is hiring for analyst, Servicenow GRC, location given will be Mumbai, and about KPMG is given, and about Servicenow business analyst, complete details about the role given, and here responsibilities also mentioned. Here many details given, just go through carefully. Qualification will be any BE or BTech, ME or MTech graduates or preferred, certification preferred but not mandatory. Servicenow certified system administrator must have, and many details given, just go through it. If you are interested in this job role, click on this apply now button and you can apply for this job. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you do like our content, please do like our videos and subscribe to our channel for daily job updates.